I'm Eddie Field with Field Guide to DIY. Do you have some brush that's just way too thick for the regular string trimmer to cut through? I'd like to introduce you to the Ryobi Brush Cutter. It's on the Expand It series, so it just slaps right onto the Expand It power head, and you're cutting brush. Let's dive in. There is some assembly required. Hang on to the hanging cap. It comes in handy when you start adding to the Expand It series. First thing you want to do is attach the J handle. The wing nut simply loosens and it slides on over the bar. You have to press in the release button for the J handle to go onto the shaft. Press in the button to get it past that. This wing nut is plastic, so be careful not to over tighten as it will crack. Now we're going to clip on the hanging strap onto the ring, loosen it, and then once again press the button and it slides onto the shaft. And just like that, we're ready to trim. It's just that easy. Now for me, proper adjustment of the strap was to let it all the way out, just because I've got long arms. You may have some poison ivy or poison sumac or Virginia creeper that some folks are allergic to. So you want to have long pants on and long sleeves on as the brush starts to fly. For more Ryobi tool tips and suggestions, click the image on your screen now.